Let your Holy Spirit come and take control of every situation.